Hello everyone. I thought we would do an update on the Toyota pickup truck. Lots of changes. It's really coming together. We'll go on item by item. Suspension's really come together. So we've detailed it, put all new brakes and bearings on everything. Bilstein shocks and steering stabilizer. Changed the lift around a little bit. Engine compartment's still a little dirty, but we've done some big changes in the engine. We changed the cam out. The previous owner had what is literally called a big mother thumper cam. It was way too big a cam. Truck wouldn't idle in gear. Just totally wrong cam for this engine. Put a much milder cam in. It idles beautifully now and pulls from low end. Put a bigger master cylinder booster in and a new master cylinder. And then down, we've got the power steering hooked up now. I think you remember before, this truck didn't have power steering, but because of the steering crossover change, we had a different box in. So now that's all working, drives like a dream. Currently getting it ready for paint. Probably gonna stick with this same light blue. From what we can tell, it's from a 1980 Land Cruiser. Nice color though. Also, if you remember, this truck had a real rusty bed on it. Well, I told you we were going to change that. We found a step-side conversion bed that was from an old S10. I think you probably saw them from J.C. Whitney. The bed's aluminum with fiberglass fenders. I really love the look of it. Rear suspension's been freshened up. Again, we had to replace a rear axle seal, and so we did the bearings at the same time. Had some really willowy shackles, so we've redone those. Bilstein shocks again, and a locker. One more side view of what it looks like with the new bed and cab. You can see also new fenders because there was a little rust on there. We hate rust. I got a new hood coming. See the big buggy in the background. More updates to come once it's painted.